Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at this new phone I got. This is the Moto Z4, and we got to put a case on it today. We don't like this camera having it stick out. So what we're going to do is show you how we put a case on this thing. And then I'm going to do another video. I'm going to show you different cases that are available and which one I like the best. So right now, we're going to try out this Encased Moto Z4. They're calling this the Scorpio armor case with holster. Got this off Amazon, I believe. Little story to tell you. I had a little, I don't know, I ordered a case from eBay. And you know these ones where they have all these multiple choices? Well, yeah. They wind up sending me the wrong case. I wind up losing money in the deal. But that's alright. I think what I got what I want now. So now I got this Encased. This is for the Moto Z4, supposedly. Let's take a look at it. Oops. Sorry about that. Anyway, this is the case and this is the holster. Now, I was looking for a holster with a clip like this, or a side clip on the side here, right? The picture showed that on eBay, and they sent me one of those sliding cases. You know, where you slide this phone in like this, and it's terrible. I don't like that. Once you get the phone in, you can't get it back out. So anyway, let's move on with this installation. So now it comes with our holster, and this is the case. It's two pieces. We got a rubber inside and we got a hard plastic outside. Now what I like about the Encased is it doesn't have the opening in the back here. Now the opening, this thing is for the you know, the Moto mods or whatever the hell they call them, and I believe they just stick onto the back of the phone. I don't believe they're gonna work if you already have a case on your phone, so I don't know why they did that. So anyway, let's do this case here. So first we're gonna get this black plastic piece off the rubber. Well, probably the easiest way to do it is get your thumbnail under here, right? And just run it along one edge. Once one edge is off, the rest will come off easy. Right? Should. Well, this is made a little different. It's on there really good. So we'll run our thumb off the other side. Careful not to break any of these little pieces. Right? Okay. Now, let's stick it on the right way, like this. Right, make sure all the edges are on good. Okay, now we gotta stick this on here. So what I would do is I would probably start on the big side, get that whole big thing in there, right? And then we just have to clip in the small pieces on this side, right? Like that, like that. Hear it click, heard it click, like that. All right, that's on. Feels pretty good. Feels like I got a little raised spot here, so if I lay it down flat, I'm not laying it on the glass. Now, the big kicker for me is how does the case work, huh? Let's see. All right, I like that. I like it. Positive. You just unclip it and get it out. It sticks in there pretty nice. And I was worried about this not being able to clip like this, but it seems to be working good. I like this positive This is really strong. Has a nice hook here for your belt. Then it has the clip so you could hold it open like that. So you could, you know, have your videos playing or whatever. You know, you just turn it around backwards. So that's pretty nice. Anyway, so that's it. That's the Encased. Let's see what it's called again. Encased Scorpio armor case with holster for the Moto Z4, Motorola Moto Z4. I'm really happy with this phone so far. I had it for a couple of weeks now. I had a different case on it, which didn't have any holster. So that's the only reason I'm changing. I wanted a holster. I'm tired of putting it in my back pocket. I'm always feeling like I'm sitting on my phone. I hate that. So let's see how this moves. We get it halfway move. So it only goes one spot or two spots, but it doesn't go all the way backwards. That was another thing on eBay. They're showing the pictures of these things backwards. So it looks like it's like this, but it's really a slide in because you don't see the bottom. So they're showing it like this, upside down, with these pieces. You think it's a clip in. I don't know. It's very deceiving. Anyway, you guys, that's how you install the case. I kind of like this Encased case. This just has a rubbery feel to it. I like it. Like I said, if you're using any moto mods, I don't think you could use it with a case on, but if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. I don't have any moto mods yet. I'm thinking about getting one, but I just haven't done it yet. I've only had this thing for you know, a couple weeks. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Checking out all the let's see how the buttons work, huh? That would be a good one. Alright, that worked good. Okay, let's see how the volume buttons work. They work pretty good. Alright guys. Thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next one. We're going to compare a couple of these different cases, and I'll continue telling my story. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.